With that, we're now shifting our focus to the state of Uttar Pradesh, specifically to Kanpur, and an incident, a tragedy which is now only turning out to be murkier with each passing day as the details come out. Skeletons stumble out in the Kanpur Lamborghini horror case. In the latest video accessed by India Today, accused Shivam Mishra can be spotted in the driver's seat against claims that he wasn't driving the car at all at the time of the accident. Now, in this exclusive video accessed by India Today moments after the crash, the brat Shivam Mishra is seen in the driver's seat with no driver present next to him at all. It was only after the Lamborghini crashed into pedestrians that bouncers from Shivam Mishra's team rushed to the spot and removed Shivam Mishra from inside the Lamborghini, all of which has been caught on camera. Accused Shivam Mishra's father, tobacco tycoon KK Mishra, had in fact earlier claimed that it was a driver named Mohan who was at the wheels at the time of the accident and not his son, as shown everywhere. Kanpur top cop probing the case has also said that they had no evidence to prove that it was Shivam who was driving the very car.
पंडित मिश्रा जी, ये बताइए, आपका बेटा कहाँ है?
बेटा सर उसी समय मैंने उसको दिल्ली भेज दिया था और वो डॉक्टर के ट्रीटमेंट के अंडर में है, क्योंकि अचानक वो जिस तरीके से वो बेहोश हुआ और समझ में नहीं आया उसका रीजन क्या है, ब्लड प्रेशर समझ में नहीं आया, जो भी हो, तो डॉक्टर के ट्रीटमेंट में दिल्ली भेजा हुआ है। ट्रायल करने में वो सिविल लाइन्स में पदम अपार्टमेंट तक गया। उसके बाद में गाड़ी वहाँ से उसने बैक की और गाड़ी लेके इधर ये ड्राइवर के साथ में आ रहा था। वहाँ करीब कुछ फॉल्ट उसमें शायद रह गया था, ये बाद में महसूस हो रहा है, क्योंकि गाड़ी लेके वहाँ से आया तो जो मेरे सुनने में आया है कि किसी टेम्पो ने जो स्थान था वहाँ पे गाड़ी में आगे से टक्कर मारी, क्योंकि जब ड्राइवर से पूछा गया तो उसने कहा ये थोड़ा सा एकदम से कुछ बेहोश होने लगे तो ध्यान उसका भटक गया ड्राइवर का।
कल वकील द्वारा शिवम मिश्रा के वक्तव्य दिया गया कि गाड़ी जो है उनका ड्राइवर चला रहा था। पुलिस से रिपोर्ट मांगी गई है कि पुलिस के आधार पर ही जो है कोर्ट शायद वो कार्रवाई करेगी। आप लोग का क्लियर स्टैंड क्या है, गाड़ी कौन चला रहा था?
ये शुरुआती दौर में देखा होगा आपने कि जो तौफीक जो इंजर्ड था उनकी एप्लीकेशन पे एफआईआर पंजीकृत होती है, जिसमें गाड़ी का नंबर होता है केवल और ड्राइवर का डिटेल नहीं होता है। हमारी टीम उसमें हमारा जो विवेचक है इन्वेस्टिगेशन करता है और इन्वेस्टिगेशन में वो सीसीटीवी फुटेज और लोगों के उसके डिटेल होगा और गाड़ी का डिटेल लेकर के हमें पता लग जाता है ये गाड़ी किसकी है और गाड़ी ड्राइव कौन कर रहा था। इनके विवेचना में उनका नाम आया है तो हमारे पास पुख्ते सबूत होंगे, इसके आधार पर उनका नाम आया। तो गाड़ी को ड्राइव कर रहे थे शिवम मिश्रा कर रहे थे। उनका अधिवक्ता कुछ भी कहें, लेकिन हमारी जांच में शिवम मिश्रा जो है गाड़ी को ड्राइव कर रहे थे और उन्हीं के खिलाफ वैधानिक कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Now, Simar Chawla joining me on the broadcast with more details on this very case and the new revelations in it. Simar, a very good morning to you. Since morning now, we have been discussing about this very new video that surfaced showing that it was and confirming that it was Shivam who was driving that very car that day. Now, this also brings into question the fact that there was his father and the lawyer who have consistently been denying that it was Shivam who was driving the car. So now the question also comes in, given that they were trying to cover up a very crime and the main accused in that crime at this point of time, what it seems to be, will there be charges against the father as well then?
Well, exactly. That's a very important video that has surfaced now. In all likelihood, will be included in the charge sheet and the proofs which the Kanpur Police is going to present in the court. Now, we have been seeing that till yesterday, the father and the lawyer have been clearly denying the fact that their son was driving the car. In fact, a person named Mohan filed an affidavit in the court. Now, it's illegal if you file an affidavit and it's found out to be wrong, then the police is entitled, the court is entitled to, in fact, do the legal proceedings against you. Now, this video clearly shows that when the accident happened, there was, in fact, no one present inside the car apart from Shivam Mishra. No driver was there, and Shivam is sitting in the driving seat. And in fact, we saw that after the incident happened, he staged drama, what we call of being ill. After which his bouncers carry him to the nearby hospital, as they claim. But in this video, Shivam is clearly just after the incident talking to some random person, doing some hand actions, and after some time, he was being carried out by the bouncers to some other place. In all likelihood, to get away from the spots, keeping in mind the kind of people, the crowd which actually gathered and surrounded the car. So now this new video clearly punches the claim which has been made by the side of Shivam and his counsel or his father, And let me tell you that it's been more than 24 to 48 hours. No medical has been done. He is sent to Delhi in this very particular matter. And keeping in mind the fact that mentioned that now the police might also go ahead and file a legal proceeding in this very particular matter, because this is a blatant lie which was attempted from the side of the council. This new video has punctures all the claims. Now it remains to be seen that what decision does court give. Because in this video it's clearly seen that no driver was there. That means he was lying. So all these facts will be produced in front of the court, which will be hearing the matter of releasing the car from the premises of the police station, as being mentioned in the application filed from the council of Shivam, and also on the interim bail application which has been filed. Let me tell you, the sections are not that serious, so the police cannot technically arrest him. But yes, in case the police increases the section in this case, the people will be now moving to court for in fact bail in this very particular matter, Shreya.
So now there is a chance that there will be more charges added to that very charge sheet, to the very case that already exists, and the father might also in fact be named for legal proceedings, given that that was a blatant lie coming in of his son not being in the car when it in fact met with that very accident, injuring several in the process. Now, in the major twist to this very case, Kanpur tobacco tycoon KK Mishra has denied that his son Shivam was driving the Lamborghini involved in a crash, and that's what we are in fact speaking of since morning. He had claimed that the vehicle was being driven by a hired chauffeur when it malfunctioned and caused the accident that injured 6 people and damaged other vehicles. However, cops say that they have evidence to prove it was Shivam who was at the wheel. Let's take a look at this report.
Over 2 days after the Lamborghini crash in Kanpur, VVIP brat Shivam Mishra still remains at large. Mishra, who is a director in Bansidhar Tobacco Group, has evaded police questioning so far. And now his father, tobacco baron KK Mishra, has floated a new theory to defend Shivam, putting all blame on the driver.
जब ड्राइवर से पूछा गया तो उसने कहा ये थोड़ा सा एकदम से कुछ बेहोश होने लगे तो ध्यान उसका भटक गया ड्राइवर का, तो उसने लेफ्ट साइड में वो बैठे हुए थे तो उनको हाथ से पकड़ने की कोशिश की कि अचानक ये झुकते क्यों चले जा रहे हैं, तो उसने ब्रेक मारी, वो गाड़ी एकदम से रुक गई। तब तक किसी से टकरा गई या जिससे भी कोई बेचारा व्यक्ति होगा उसके पैर पे चढ़ी, मुझे नहीं मालूम है।
Shivam's lawyer claims the accused has been taken to Delhi for medical treatment.
ड्राइवर ने बताया है कि गाड़ी वो चला रहा था मोहन नाम का व्यक्ति, बगल की सीट में ये शिवम बैठे हुए थे। शिवम को अचानक कुछ चक्कर आने लगा, चक्कर आने की वजह से जो सामने से टेम्पो आ रही थी उसने इनकी गाड़ी में साइड में टक्कर मारी। सबने देखा वीडियो में कि वो कुछ अस्वस्थ और बीमार थे, उनको लोग उठा के ले गए हैं, तो यहाँ से उनको दिल्ली भेज दिया गया और दिल्ली में उनके जो फैमिली डॉक्टर उनका ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं, उसके मेडिकल वगैरह सब आ गए हैं।
The Kanpur Police Chief, however, claims they have enough evidence to prove it was Shivam who was driving the Lamborghini.
उनका अधिवक्ता कुछ भी कहें, लेकिन हमारी जांच में शिवम मिश्रा जो है गाड़ी को ड्राइव कर रहे थे और उन्हीं के खिलाफ वैधानिक कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Families of those injured in the crash allege Shivam Mishra wasn't named in the FIR initially and that the car received special privileges at police station with bouncers guarding it and misbehaving with victims in police presence. India Today has accessed the CCTV images of the crash. The footage shows Shivam Mishra's bouncers run towards the car, grab him and flee the spot in another car. Shivam was allegedly driving at a high speed when his Lamborghini struck 6 pedestrians, leaving them with serious injuries. Another video of the Lamborghini movements before crash clearly shows that tinted glass was used by Shivam Mishra, which is a violation of traffic safety rules. With Simit Chawla in Kanpur, Bureau Report, India Today.